friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail address. So if you're currently on a Gmail account and you want to know if it's possible to change your Gmail account or your Gmail email address, then this is a perfect video for you, because I'm going to walk you through step by step how to go about approaching this. So what you want to do, go to your google.com and of course sign into your Google account, your Gmail account, and go to Gmail, right? So you're inside your Gmail, go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side, and you want to click and manage your Google account. Now here on the left hand side, you want to click on personal info. And here you want to go ahead and scroll down to where you have contact info, and here you'll find your Google account, right? So you want to click on your email address here on the email, and here you want to look for where it shows your email address, and here you can see immediately it mentioned you can't change your email address. No, you might be thinking, Andrew, but you waste my time. But hold on just a second. I have a solution for you. While you can't change your email address, guys, you can create a new email address, create a new Google account, and you can forward this email message to the new one that you create. And that's a solution, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can go about doing that. Now, while I will not show you how to create a Google account here, I'm going to show you how the forward process works. So if you have a Google account already, then you know that in order to create a Google account, you just need to go to google.com. While you're about to sign in, you have the option to add account, and you can click add, and you can go ahead and create a new account, right? You have the option right here, create account, and you can choose for your personal, and you continue the process, fill in name, last name, create an email account, password, etc., etc. You get the idea. It's pretty straightforward. So how do we go ahead and do the forwarding of those email to the new one? Let me go ahead and show you how to do this. So what you want to do, guys, once you create a new email account, let's say this is the old one, and let's head over back to my Google, right? So this is the old account. I'm going to open up a different window here. As you can see here, this is the old email address, and this is a new one. Let's say this is my new email account. You can see it's different profiles, right? So let's say this is the new email address. Now, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and copy the email address of the new account. As you can see, this is a different email address, right? So I'm going to copy this email address, simply right click, click and copy. And you want to go over to the old account. So here in the old account, you want to go to this gear in the upper right hand side, settings, then click on all settings. Now here you will have the option that says forward and pop IAM, right? So you want to click on that, and here you can see it says forwarding, and it says add a forward address. Click on that. And here you want to enter that email address of the new account that you created. So once you have the new email address that you created, or the new Google account, you want to enter that Google email address right here. And once you enter this here, just simply click on next. Now you will have a pop-up, and you need to jump through a few hoops here, right? So you want to click on proceed first and foremost, and here you will see it says a confirmation link has been sent to the new account to verify. So what you want to do, click on OK, right? And you will need to go to that email address. So let me go ahead and open the window of my new account here, and let's go into my email, and you will see right here that I receive a confirmation. So here is it. And here you can see that I got the email, and it mentioned here that this email address has requested automatically forward email to my new address. As you can see the email, the details there. And here it says to allow that, I just simply need to go ahead and click on the link. So please click on the link. So I click on this link, and here you can see that it says a confirmation of the mail of that to that. Simple confirm. Click the confirm button here, guys, and you're done. Confirmation is successful. So now when you go back to this account, if you quickly do a refresh here into the settings, you're all set. So I'm going to go ahead here, and you can see that the forwarding is already set up. I can go ahead now, and as you see, it says disable forwarding. I can simply go ahead and I can just turn this on. And here you can see forward a copy of blah, blah, blah. You can go ahead and you can choose how you want to do it. So you can put the information here that you want. And here you see it says forward a copy of incoming mails to. Go ahead and put that email address, and keep Gmail's copy of blah, 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 blah. choose how you want to. You can keep mails copy, or you can mark as a copy as read, or you can archive a copy, or you can delete copy, whichever option you want. Let's go ahead and say we want to keep a copy. So we select that. Simple click and save. And you will see right now that it says at the top, you are forwarding emails to that. This will notify. This notification will end in 7 days. It's just a notification, but it's just letting you know that it is set up there. Now, how do we go ahead and test this? I'm going to open up a different account as an example, or I can even send a test. I'm going to open up a third account here, guys, and I'm going to send an email to this account. So we're going to copy this one, right? Now, I'm going to open up a new window here, right? And I'm going to head into this third account here. So I'm going to go to Gmail here real quick, and I'm going to compose a brand new mail, right? So I'm going to open up Compose here, and I'm going to simply send an email to my old account, right? Simple typing test and simple typing test. Now, if I click on send, you will notice that once I go to my account, look, here's what's going to happen. See, this is the old account, right? Now, you will see that in the old account, there is no mail, but it will appear here in a moment. As you can see, the email arrives here in the old account. But if I go to the new account as well, look what's going to happen. If I go to my inbox, look at that. The email is also there. So that shows you that this process actually works. So while you're not able to completely change your old email address, you can create a brand new Google account and set up the forwarding so that you can receive emails to that new account. How amazing is that? And you have the power within that option here to actually change how you want it. So you can go back to the settings and you can choose if you want a copy to go there, or you want to completely send everything there. So you can delete the copy and you can keep the copy. It's really up to you. But this will really allow you to have the setup done. Now, at any point in time you don't want to have it anymore, you can just simply click on disable forwarding and just save. And that's all. The forwarding is no longer set up. But it's important that you cannot change your Google account, and to create a brand new one and do the forwarding is a workaround. I really hope you found this workaround useful, and if you do, really appreciate if you give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful for you. And of course, if you have any question, if you're struggling at any part of these steps, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you go through this process. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.